Magpapalit ngayon ng libreng dagdag na Bear Brand. Dagdag at resistensya, wellness ng pamilya. Limited lang to, kaya mag-Bear Brand na.
Wait naman eh.
Kahit katiting na, ang sagad sa bawang Mr. Clean, buhay pa. Mag-ispirit, Mr. Clean Garrett.
Watch color come alive. It's Moisture Extreme Lipstick from Maybelline, New York. Deep moisture creates blooming colors with triple essence for lips and SPF 15. See for yourself. Moisture goes deep and color comes alive. Red top, pink blossom, plums go rich. A true breakthrough. Extreme moisture, sumptuous color. Moisture Extreme Lipstick from Maybelline, New York. Now only $2.99.
Ang Pinoy, mahilig kumain. Kaya madalas, nakakaranas ng pananakit at pagbigat ng tiyan, empacho at pandighay. Tawag dito, dyspepsia. Kaya